Alright, keyboard enthusiasts, gather round. I've got the Keychron Q6 in my hands, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast. If you're looking for a full-size, customizable keyboard that feels as premium as it looks, you need to check this out. First impressions? Solid. Like really solid. This isn't some flimsy plastic keyboard. The Q6 is full aluminum, CNC machined, and it feels incredibly sturdy. It's got a satisfying heft to it, and the carbon black finish looks sleek and professional. But it's not just about looks. Keychron has packed this thing with features. Let's start with the hot swappable sockets. This is a game changer for anyone who likes to tinker. You can swap out the switches without any soldering, which means you can experiment with different key feels until you find the perfect one. They've even used screw-in PCB stabilizers for the larger keys, so no more rattle or wobble, just a smooth, consistent typing experience. And speaking of typing, let's talk about the double gasket design. This is where the Q6 really shines. They've added gaskets, not only on the plates, but also between the top and bottom cases. This does wonders for the sound, dampening any metallic pings or rattles and giving you a deeper, thockier sound. It's a subtle difference, but it makes a world of difference to the overall typing experience. Now, this particular Q6 comes with pre-lubed Keychron G Pro Brown switches. These are tactile switches, meaning you get a little bump when you press them, which is great for feedback. The pre-lubing means they feel incredibly smooth right out of the box. No need to break them in or lube them yourself. If you prefer a different switch, though, remember you can easily swap them out thanks to the hot swappable sockets. Another huge plus is the Q&K VIA support. This means you can completely remap the keyboard to your liking. Want to create custom macros? No problem. Want to change the function of specific keys? Go for it. The level of customization here is insane. So, who is this keyboard for? Well, pretty much anyone who spends a lot of time typing. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, a writer, or just someone who appreciates a good keyboard, the Q6 is a fantastic option. It's definitely an investment, but it's one that will last you for years to come. The full-size layout is perfect for productivity, giving you access to a full number pad and all the function keys you could need. And while it's wired, the connection is rock solid and reliable. Overall, I'm seriously impressed with the Keychron Q6. It's a well-built, feature-packed keyboard that delivers a premium typing experience. The double gasket design, hot swappable sockets, and Q&K VIA support make it a truly customizable and versatile keyboard. If you're in the market for a new full-size keyboard, the Q6 should definitely be at the top of your list. It's a bit of a splurge, but it's worth every penny.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.